we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of BovBox wireless HDMI receiver, 4K, HDMI wireless receiver kit. Consists of the following features. True 4K, receiver only. Different from the equipment on the market, BovBox wireless HDMI receiver is for 4K, UHD video and audio. If you use it to transmit 1080p video, you will get a more stable and lower latency experience. Dual band. The HDMI wireless receiver uses 5G/2.4 GHz dual band technology, 5 GHz dual antenna for strong signal broadcast and long distance transmission. Audio interface. Wireless HDMI kit built-in audio interface that you can connect with soundbar, speaker, soundbar, speaker built-in 3.5mm audio interface. Enjoy the home audio sound. Multi-power options. Transmitter and receiver can be powered in multi-ways including power bank, NPF batteries or via USB-C ports. Note, NPF batteries are not included. Battery low light indicator ensures you will never find yourself without juice. Support up to 1TX to 4RX. With the wireless video transmitter and receiver, allows you have up to 4 receivers bound to one transmitter. As RX increase, the wireless transmission distance will be shortened. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.